What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Did you plug in a USB microphone but Windows 11 doesn't detect it? Maybe the microphone doesn't appear in the sound settings, or apps like Discord, Zoom or OBS can't see the mic at all. This is a common problem in Windows 11 and it can happen for several reasons: wrong input device selected, or driver's issues, privacy settings, or even Windows simply not recognizing the microphone correctly. The good news is that most USB microphone detection problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the safe and simple fixes to make Windows detect your USB microphone again, step by step. Let's start with the first thing you should check. First, we need to confirm whether Windows is detecting the microphone at all. Just right-click on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Input section, and here you should see a list of microphones connected to your computer. If your USB microphone appears in the list, select it as the input device. Once selected, speak into your microphone and check if the input level bar moves. If the mic appears but shows no input, continue with the next steps, and if the microphone does not appear at all, keep following the guide. Windows 11 includes privacy controls that can block apps from using your microphone, so let's check your microphone privacy permissions. Just open Windows Settings. Click on Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Scroll down and select Microphone. Make sure the option Microphone Access is turned on. Also check that Let Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled. Below that, confirm the apps you use, such as Discord, Zoom, or recording software are allowed to access the microphone. If microphone access was disabled, enabling it may immediately fix the problem. Now, if it did not, sometimes Windows detects the microphone but selects the wrong input device. So let's set the correct input device. Just open Sound Settings again. In the Input section, find your USB microphone. Click on it and set it as the default input device. Now open the input volume test and speak into the mic. If the input level moves, the microphone is working correctly. This step ensures Windows and your apps use the correct microphone. Now sometimes Windows fails to initialize a USB audio device properly, so let's reconnect your microphone. Just disconnect the USB microphone from your computer. Wait about 10 seconds. Now plug it back into a different USB port. Windows should detect the microphone again and install the necessary drivers automatically. After reconnecting, check the sound settings input list again, and many detection issues are fixed simply by reconnecting the device. Now, if the microphone still doesn't appear, the audio drivers may need updating, so let's update them. All you have to do is right-click on the Start button. Select Device Manager from the list and expand the section called Audio Inputs and Outputs. Look for your USB microphone in the list, then right-click it and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will check for updated drivers and install them if available. After the update completes, restart your computer. This often fixes detection issues with USB audio devices. And that's how you fix a USB microphone not detected in Windows 11. In many cases, the issue is caused by privacy settings, incorrect input device selection, or driver problems. If your microphone is still not detected, leave a comment with your microphone model and Windows version, and I'll try to help you out. And if you want more quick Windows troubleshooting guides, subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.